So for this problem, to evaluate the derivative of sine x plus 4 and cosine x minus 4, since this given different angle, then we're going to use first the trigonometric identity before finding the derivative. So from this product and sum identity, so we have sine x times cosine y. So this is sine x and this is cosine y. Then apply now this formula. So this is y equals 1/2 then times sine, then this is x plus y. So x is x plus 4 then plus y, and y is x minus 4. Then we have plus the sine x minus y. So sine, and again x is x plus 4 then minus y is x minus 4. Then to simplify, so y equals 1/2. Then this becomes sine. So we need to omit now the parentheses. So this becomes x plus 4 then plus x minus 4 then plus sine then x plus 4 then distribute this negative. So this becomes negative x and negative negative. So that becomes positive 4. Then we have y equals, so this is 1/2. Then sine, so this x plus x, this is 2x. And positive 4, negative 4, this one is 0. So we have sine 2x, then plus sine, then this positive x, negative x, this one is 0. Positive 4 and positive 4, this one is positive 8. Then from this, we can find now the derivative. So we have now the derivative, or y prime equals, so just bring down this constant then times. So for the derivative of sine, so since the derivative of sine is cosine, so this becomes cosine 2x then times the derivative of 2x, so this one is 2. Then plus, observe that for this term, since there is no variable, so we have sine 8x, and this one consider as a constant. And since the derivative of a constant is 0, so therefore, the derivative of sine 8 is equal to 0. Then to simplify, so we have y prime then equals, so we can cancel now this 2 and cancel this 2. So the remaining is cosine 2x. So the derivative, or y prime, is equal to cosine 2x.